In 1994, a new vision was born on the African continent, a vision of unity, shared prosperity, and regional integration. That vision is the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA. For 3 decades, COMESA has been a driving force behind economic cooperation and development across 21 member states, from Tunisia in the north to Eswatini in the south. COMESA was established as a successor to the Preferential Trade Area for Eastern and Southern African states, with a core mission to promote economic integration through trade, investment, and the development of a large, viable economic zone. On December 8, 1994, COMESA was formally launched, ushering in a new era of collaboration among African nations. Over the years, COMESA has been led by visionary leaders, each leaving their mark on the organization's growth and success. In the early years, Professor Bingu Wamutharika, 1994 to 1997, laid the groundwork for the regional body, focusing on institutional building and setting the stage for future achievements. Following him, Dr. Erastus Mwencha, 1998 to 2008, ushered in a decade of significant expansion with the launch of the COMESA Free Trade Area in 2000, a monumental step towards achieving free trade across member states. Under Mr. Sindiso Ngwenya, 2008 to 2018, COMESA's impact deepened with a focus on regional integration, infrastructure development, and greater trade facilitation across borders. In 2018, Ms. Chileshe Mpundu Kapwepwe made history as the first woman to lead the organization. She continues to build on the legacy of her predecessors, driving COMESA's agenda forward as we commemorate 30th anniversary. COMESA's journey has been marked by significant milestones that have reshaped the economic landscape of the region. In 2000, the COMESA Free Trade Area was launched.
We have 16 out of the 21 member countries which have reduced tariffs to zero. And at the same time, they are also working towards removal and eradication of all forms of tariff barriers that hinder COMESA trade.
The Customs Union, established in 2009, represented another key step toward deeper economic integration, facilitating the movement of goods and services across borders. In 2014, COMESA partnered with East African Community, EAC, and the Southern African Development Community, SADC, to launch the Tripartite Free Trade Area, linking over half of Africa's economies and creating a market of over 700 million people.
Regional integration is very critical and important if we as African countries are going to develop. The sooner we start looking inwards to our own solution, our own capabilities, our own resource, and we have a lot of resource in Africa. So we need to work together.
Today, COMESA continues to expand its scope, addressing critical issues such as digital transformation, climate change adaptation, and gender equality.
Young people are the majority in the COMESA member states, and we do not want to leave them behind. They have energy, they can contribute effectively to the economic development as well as social development and leadership in their countries.
Over the last 30 years, COMESA has transformed the way countries in the region trade and invest. Its policies have facilitated the flow of goods, increased foreign direct investment, and promoted cross-border trade. The Trade and Development Bank and the African Trade and Investment Development Insurance, ATIDI, have provided vital support for infrastructure and business development. These milestones have not only boosted economic growth, but also helped lift millions of people out of poverty by creating jobs, reducing trade barriers, and fostering a secure investment climate. Yet, challenges remain. Issues such as climate change, food insecurity, and the COVID-19 pandemic have tested the resilience of the region's economies. But COMESA has shown a remarkable ability to adapt, focusing on solutions like digital technology to improve trade, green energy projects, and initiatives to ensure regional stability. As we celebrate 30 years of progress, COMESA remains committed to addressing these challenges. The vision for the future is clear: deeper integration, more inclusive growth, and ensuring that no one is left behind. As we look ahead, COMESA remains a beacon of hope for the economic transformation of Eastern and Southern Africa. Together, we can continue to chart a path toward a brighter and more united future. Happy 30th anniversary, COMESA.